20 years experience in manufacturing outdoor gear. Quality recognized by Germany and Japan, the leading countries in the outdoor market. Technological prowess guaranteed by numerous patents and international design awards. Montera. Create simplicity. A great camping experience means a great meal and a good rest. The angle of the chair needs to be different for each occasion. The outcome of our extensive research to meet our customers' needs. Introducing Montera's Angle Adjustable Chair. The core of the adjustable chair is in the plastic mold that holds the frame. With 2 holes for the legs and the frame, you can adjust the angle for the perfect height when having a meal or when relaxing by inserting the legs into different holes. With the neck guider maintaining the tension, you can relax without feeling uncomfortable. The design borrowed from the pants pattern to create a comfortable and snug chair. You can also keep your things or a small stuff in the pocket. Also, when the footrest option is applied, you can relax more comfortably. Tents come in different heights. But is there a cot that can be used for different tents of different heights? Montera introduces an adjustable cot. Montera's adjustable cot offers a frame holder with 2 different angles to allow you to change the height as desired. With this feature, you can use it as a bench during the day and as a cot at night. Montera products are produced directly from Kerosene factories, ensuring high quality. Montera also has its own technical patents for angle adjustment and height adjustment. Upgrade your life with camping. Montera is at the center of this transition.